great people, in this video we are going to be talking about 10 passive income ideas to build wealth in 2022 and the coming years. You have got a steady paycheck from your 9 to 5 job, and that is cool. But deep inside you, you know that you have always wanted more money, more freedom, and more flexibility. And you better decide it's finally time to increase your current income. One of the best ways to earn more money with little effort is to develop passive income stream. So this video breaks down 10 ideas for how to generate passive income online and offline while keeping your full-time job, so you can finally make more money than you have ever dreamed of. Active income versus passive income, which is best for me? Let us answer this question. In theory, all of your income sources carry similar weight, but when it comes to achieving financial freedom, passive income leaves active income in the dust. Active income is the money that is generated from the effort you are currently making. If you want to continue making a living, you need to continue working. So if you quit your job today, you stop getting paid. This simply means that your time literally equals money. And then you have passive income, an income that doesn't require you to do a lot of active work to continue making it, and the money keep flowing years and years. Even you keep making money while you are sleeping, when you are spending nice time with your family and friends. If you want to design a life where you are financially free, it will be better for you to focus on passive income. If you want more videos on entrepreneurship, personal finance, side hustles, customer service and customer experience, your business won't survive without the customer, because customer is the heart and soul of any business. Please do well to subscribe to my channel now and turn on the notification bell so that every time we upload another video you get notification from YouTube. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please give it a like, you are supporting the channel, and don't forget to comment below passive income. Without further ado, let's get started. 10 passive income ideas to make more money in 2022 and the coming years. Number 1, dropshipping business. Dropshipping is one of the most profitable passive income sources. With dropshipping, you can pick trendy products on one of the marketplaces, online marketplaces like AliExpress, Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, and you start selling it to customers around the globe. You can fill your online store with items from various dropshipping niches like fashion, home decor, and beauty. The magic of dropshipping is that you build your own business and you decide on how much you charge for the products. In fact, in all the passive income ideas mentioned in this video, dropshipping is still the one that you have the most control over your margins. The alternative to dropshipping business is wholesale business. Wholesale business is an e-commerce business model in which you buy products in bulk at a lower price rate and you sell it in a higher price rate to customers around the world, and you make your money from selling it in higher price rates. Wholesale business is an alternative to dropshipping business. Number 2, blogging business. One of the most popular passive income sources, it is blogging business. Blogging business has helped tremendous of online entrepreneurs to keep making money passively every single day online. Some of the best way successful bloggers make money online today, it is through affiliate links, by helping other people promoting their products and earn commission from this. They also make money by selling their own products on their website. They also make money by linking their own online store to their blog post. They also make money through Google AdSense, that's the ad network. So there's a lot of several ways to generate passive income from blogging business. It can indeed take a bit of upfront work to start a successful blog. The biggest perk of having a blog today is that you can turn that one asset into a different stream of income for yourself. Yes. Number 3, create and sell online courses. One of the best ways to generate passive income online today, it is through selling courses, because people want to learn. If you're a professional or you are an expert in any field or any subject, you have that knowledge, you can share this knowledge with the world and make money from it passively. If you know a lot of things about hairdressing, you can make money from this passively by putting this information together in a kind of a video and share this with the world, because there are thousands of people out there that don't know anything about hairdressing. If you know how to do makeup, there's a lot of people out there that don't know how to do makeup. If you know how to bake cake, there's a lot of people out there that don't know how to bake cake. If you know a lot of things about personal finance, there's a lot of people that don't know anything about finance and they want to learn. So you can put this information in the form of a video. You can start any passive income from your own knowledge by selling online courses about what you already know, and start marketing these courses on your own website, like on Facebook, by using Facebook ads and Instagram ads. And also you can start marketing and selling your own online courses on platforms that caters to e-learning crowd like Udemy and Skillshare. So there's a lot of ways to make passive income online. The interesting part about this passive income is that you are going to be making money by helping other people. You make other people happy and you are also happy. This is a very interesting passive income ideas. Number 4, publishing sponsored posts. If you have a lot of followers on Instagram, this is the best passive income source for you. Yes, if you have a lot of followers on social media platforms. Yes, sponsored posts are content pieces that endorses a specific product or service. Yes, owned by the sponsoring party, and the sponsor compensates publishers for promoting, distributing, and creating content. that promote their businesses. So the secret to get more money from this passive income is that you must have a lot of followers on Instagram. The best way to have a lot of followers on Instagram or social media platform is by posting consistently, posting regularly. If you want to make money from this, you need to increase your followers. Yes, a lot of people are making money from this passive income source. That is publishing sponsor posts. Number 5, print on demand store. Yes, with e-commerce be one of the most popular best way to generate passive income online. It will also make sense to give a shout out to print on demand business. Yes, print on demand business allows you to sell your own custom graphic design on items like books, bags, jugs, cups, like t-shirts and all of this. The best way to make a lot of money from this passive income source is to have knowledge about graphic design. Yes, because people will only buy your product, people will only buy your design if you are very good at making design that will captivate people eye. Yes, so if you're a graphic designer, this is the best way to generate passive income online. Number 6, create an app. If you have experience in programming and coding, and also you are very good at website development, this is the best way to generate passive income online for you, by creating app. Yes, if you can create app that can allow other people to solve their problem, you're going to be making a lot of money from this, because businesses and brands, they will be advertising their products on your app. So when people view this app and click on this app, you're going to be getting paid, you're going to be making money from this. So this is the best way to generate passive income online today, if you have deep knowledge in programming and coding. Number 7, invest in stock. We cannot talk about passive income without talking about investment in stocks, in stock market. Yes, when analyzing the most richest people in the world, stock play big role in their network, in their big bank accounts. So if you want to make passive income online, you can invest in stock like Apple stock, Facebook stock, Amazon stock. This is not the financial advice. Make sure you carry out your own research before you invest into any stock, into any company stock. The art of investing in stock is pretty passive, but the research that goes into it is active. Warren Buffett, the most popular and the most richest investor in the whole world, read at least 500 pages of a book every single day to have deep knowledge about how the market is performing. So if you know a lot of things about stock market, you can start investing into stock market and make big money from this. Make sure you read books on stock market and learn about how market is performing every single day. If you don't want to throw your money on a random share, make sure you know a lot of things about stock market before you start investing into it. Yes, because this is a very risky game. Stock market is one of the best ways to generate passive income. Number 8, buy and sell property. This is another best way to generate passive income offline, like buy and selling property. There's a lot of money in real estate business and landed property. If you buy a land of 500,000 naira in this year, like 2 years, 3 years to this time, it will increase in value over time and attract more income and wealth into your life. If you want to become wealthy very fast, it is by investing into properties, stock market, mutual funds and bonds. There's a lot of money to be made in investing, but mind you, investing is very risky. Make sure you read books about investment, read book about real estate, read book about buy and selling property before you jump into the business. Number 9, rent out your spare rooms. Another best way to generate passive income today, it is through renting out your spare rooms. My brother, if you have some spare room in your house, this is another best way to generate passive income. By renting it out to people for a specific duration, we can learn 1 or 2 things about Airbnb. Airbnb will connect you with these people. Yeah, there's a lot of money to be made in renting out your property. Number 10, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means promoting other people's products on your website or on your social media pages. So whenever your followers or your audience click your link and buy products through your link, you are going to get a commission. It can be 10% commission, 20% commission, 30% commission. It can even go up to like 50% commission. It depends on the website that you are promoting. Let us take for an example. If Amazon is selling a bag for $100 and you are promoting this bag, so Amazon promises you that every bag that you sell, that they are going to pay you 10% commission on every bag that you sell. So you sell like 10 bags in a day. That is 10% of $100, it will be $10. And you sell that 10 bags, that's the $1,000. You make $1,000 in revenue. So you are going to get 10% of that $1,000, that is $100. You just make $100 in a day. But actually, to be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to go through a learning curve. So this is the end of the video, great people. If you have found this video helpful so far, please do well to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload another video content on entrepreneurship, personal finance, customer service and customer experience, you're going to get notified. Please like this video and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Passive income. Until the next time, keep winning, keep growing, keep achieving. Love yous.